MCQs which are high chances of coming in the upcoming exams. The first topic is Delhi mayoral elections. The source of this is Hindu paper, page number 2, Delhi city section, relevant to urban local bodies, 74th Amendment and municipal governance. The 74th Constitutional Amendment is related to A. Urban local bodies, B. Panchayats, D. C. Emergency provisions, D. Anti-defection law. Can anyone answer this one? Seventy-fourth Constitutional Amendment is related to A. Urban local bodies, B. Panchayats only, C. Emergency provisions, D. Anti-defection law. The correct answer is A option, urban local bodies. Next question. Part 9A of the Constitution deals with municipalities, B. Fundamental duties, C. Scheduled areas only, D. Finance Commission. The correct answer is Part 9A of the Constitution deals with municipalities. Next question. Which of the following are common municipal functions? Which of the following are common municipal functions? 1. Solid waste management, 2. Local roads, 3. Public sanitation. Which of the following are common municipal functions? All three are correct. Solid waste management, local roads, public sanitation. Next question. Which of the following are types of urban local bodies? Which of the following are types of urban local bodies? Can anyone answer this one? Which of the following are types of urban local bodies? 1. Municipal corporation, 2. Municipal council, 3. Nagar panchayats. The correct answer is C 1 to 3. Municipal corporation, municipal council, Nagar panchayats. 12th schedule is associated with A. Municipal function, B. Panchayat finance only, C. Supreme Court powers, D. Union list only. What is the answer for this? 12th schedule is associated with municipal functions. Next. Property tax is generally a source of revenue for. Property tax is generally a source of revenue for A. Municipal bodies, B. RBI, C. Supreme Court, D. Parliament only. The correct answer is municipal only. Mayor elections in Delhi most directly concern A. Urban local self-government, B. Foreign policy, C. Monetary policy, D. Defense planning. The correct answer is A. Urban local what? Urban local governance. Next. Which of the following are common functions of MCD? Which of the following are common functions of MCD? 1. Water management, 2. Civic sanitation, 3. Property tax administration. The correct answer is all the three are correct. Next question. Which constitutional amendment gave constitutional status to municipalities? Which constitutional amendment give constitutional status to municipalities? Can anyone answer this question? Which option? Yeah, A is correct. 74th Amendment. Which of the following may create governance complexity in Delhi? Which of the following may create governance complexity in Delhi? Multiple agencies, 2 overlapping jurisdiction, 3 shared responsibilities. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. Next, difference between mayor and commissioner is that one is political head, other is administrative executive. 2, both are judges. C, both are MPs. Only D, both are governors. Difference between mayor and commissioner is that one is political head and other is administrative executive. A option is correct. Which of the following are sources of municipal revenue? Which of the following are sources of municipal revenue? First, property tax. Second, fee or user charges. 3, grants. What is the answer? C, 1, 2, 3, all are correct. Yeah. Next, the topic most directly falls under Nagar Panchayat is meant for. Nagar Panchayats are meant for transition urban areas, 2 Supreme Court zones, C military cantonment only, D forest reserves. Nagar Panchayat is meant for transition urban areas. A option. Which of the following improves city governance? Which of the following improves city governance? Fiscal autonomy, clear accountability, better planning capacity. The correct answer is 1, 2, and 3. Urban local bodies reflect which principle? The correct answer is democratic decentralization. Next question. Which of the following can be inferred? 1, local elections shape everyday public service. 2, urban governance depends only on mayors. 3, fiscal capacity affects municipal performance. What is the answer? 1 and 3 only correct. 2 is not correct. Next, policy challenge is balancing A, autonomy, accountability and service delivery. A option is correct. Which distinction is often tested? No, this is not. So next we will see must remember points. MCD means Municipal Corporation of Delhi. 74th Amendment is for municipalities. Part 9A is very important, and 12th schedule is related to municipal function. Mayor is a political head, commissioner is a executive officer. Next, if we see next topic, EC notice to Kharge row. This can be read from page number 12, news section. This is relevant to ECI, MCC and constitutional bodies. Article 324 is associated with which one? Can anyone answer this one? Article 324 is associated with A. Election Commission of India. Next question. Which of the following are functions of ECI? Can anyone answer this one? First one, conduct elections. 2, electoral rolls. 3, whole schedule announcement. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. All are correct. Next question. Model code of conduct becomes operational generally after. Model code of conduct becomes operational generally after election schedule announcement. First option is correct. Which of the following are essential for free and fair elections? 1, neutral referee. 2, equal treatment. 3, voter freedom. What is the correct answer for this question? Which of the following are essential for free and fair elections? What is the correct answer? It is option C. Yeah, correct. Have you subscribed to this channel? If not, please do subscribe it. Next question. A constitutional body means body created by constitution, NGOs only, private institution, court created club. The answer is A. Body created by constitution. Which of the following are examples of electoral integrity? Which of the following are examples of electoral integrity? Can anyone answer this one? Transparent process, impartial enforcement, credible counting. Can anyone answer this one? Yeah, C. 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. Next, election commission neutrality is important because it builds trust in elections. Next question. Which of the following may trigger an EC notice? Which of the following may trigger election commission notice? First one, alleged MCC violation. 2, hate speech complaint. 3, campaign misconduct claim. What is the answer? Yeah, C is correct. Next, level playing field in elections mean. What is the answer? A. Equal treatment of contestants under rule. A is correct. Next, which of the following strengthens ECI credibility? Which of the following strengthens ECI credibility? First one is consistent enforcement. 2, transparency. 3, timely decision. All 3 are correct. So option C is correct. MCC is primarily concerned with ethical campaign conduct during election. Yeah. Which constitutional article directly relates to ECI? Article 324. Yeah, correct. This next, a notice issued by a regulator generally means what? Opportunity to respond before action. A notice issued by a regulator generally means an opportunity to respond before action. Next question, which of the following are challenges in modern elections? 1. Hate speech regulation. 2. Digital misinformation. 3. Equal enforcement perception. All three are correct. 1, 2, 3. C option. Next, free and fair elections require neutral institution and informed voters. Next, which of the following can be inferred? Institutional credibility depends on both law and perception. 2. Equal enforcement is central to democracy. 3. Notice automatically prove guilty. The correct answer is 1 and 2 only. Notice automatically proves guilty is wrong. Next, policy challenge is balancing. Policy challenge is balancing free speech, fairness, and electoral integrity. Next, which distinction is often tested in UPSC? No, this is not. Next, must remember points are Article 3424 is related to ECI. MCC starts after poll schedule announcement. Neutrality critical in elections. Notice is chance to explain. Next, level playing field essential. Electoral integrity means trust and fairness. Next, we will see rupee fall beyond 94 rupees per dollar. This is relevant to rupees, RBI, inflation, and external sector. If rupee moves from 82 rupees per dollar to 94 rupees per dollar, it indicates what it indicates. Can anyone answer this one? Yeah, B. Depreciation in depreciation of rupee. Which institution manages India's foreign exchange reserve? Which institution manages India's exchange reserves? A. RBI. Which of the following may weaken rupee? 1. Higher crude import. 2. Capital outflows. 3. Global dollar strength. The correct answer is C. 1, 2, 3 all are correct. Imported inflation means global price rise increasing domestic prices. A option is correct. Which of the following may improve exports? Which of the following may improve exports? Correct answer is moderate currency depreciation. Next, current account deficit relates to. Current account deficit relates to. What is the answer? External trade and income flow. External trade and income flow. Yeah, A is correct. Next, rupee crossing 94 rupees per dollar most directly means rupee crossing 94 rupees per dollar most directly means rupee has weakened against dollar. A is correct. Which of the following may cause rupee depreciation? Which of the following may cause rupee depreciation? 1. Rising crude oil prices. 2. FPI outflows. 3. Global risk aviation. The correct answer is C. 1, 2, 3 all are correct. RBI may intervene in forex market by. Number 1, selling dollars. Number 2, buying rupees indirectly. Number 3, smoothing violently. The correct answer is C option 1, 2, 3. Which of the following are likely effects of weak rupee? 1. Costlier imports. 2. Imported inflation. 3. Higher foreign travel cost. The correct answer is all three are correct, means C option. Yeah. Next, which sector may gain from weaker rupee? Which sector may gain from weaker rupee? Can anyone answer this one? Exports earning dollars. A is correct. Why does crude oil affect rupee significantly? Why does crude oil affect rupee significantly? Can anyone answer this? India imports large oil volumes. A option is correct. This topic, no. Next, 8th question. Safe haven flows during global tensions often move towards. Safe haven flows during global tensions often move towards. Correct answer is US dollar assets. Next question. Depreciation differs from devaluation because depreciation is dash. What is depreciation? Market driven fall in currency value. Forex reserve helps a country. Forex reserve help a country by external payment confidence, current stability support, and third option, shock absorption. Forex reserve helps a country by all this. What are the external payment confidence, currency stability support, 3 shock absorption. So next question, which of the following can be inferred? Currency weakens can worsen inflation. Number 2, RBI may manage volatility without fixing exact rate. Number 3, weak rupee always benefits economy. What is the correct answer? B option 1 and 2 only. That is, currency weakens can worsen inflation. RBI may manage volatility without fixing exact rate. Next question, policy challenge is balancing. The correct answer is exchange stability, growth, and inflation control. Next question, which distinction is often tested? No, this is not. So points to remember here is $94 rupees per dollar is weaker rupee. Rising crude rises dollar demand. RBI can use forex reserves. Weak rupee means costlier imports. Some exports may benefit. Imported inflation, important concept. So you have to remember all these things. Next, Infosys in fourth quarter result. This can be relevant to IT sector, economy, employment, corporate result. India's IT sector is important mainly because of. Can anyone answer this question? India's IT sector is important mainly because of A, service services, exports, and skilled employment. First option is correct. Which of the following are part of service sector? IT services. Number 2, banking. Number 3, tourism. All are correct. Profit differ from revenue because profit is can anyone answer this one? Profit is revenue minus expenses broadly. Next question, which of the following may increase formal employment? Which of the following may increase formal employment? Can anyone answer this question? Yeah, corporate expansion, new hiring, skill development. All three are correct. Foreign exchange earnings may rise through IT services export. A is correct. Next, human capital includes 1, education, 2, skills, 3, health. What is the correct answer? Yeah, see, 1, 2, 3. Strong quarterly results of Infosys may indicate. Strong quarterly results of Infosys may indicate. What does this indicate? Resilience of IT services sector. Yeah, A is correct. Thank you. Next, which of the following are benefits of fresher hiring? Which of the following are benefits of fresher hiring? Graduate employment, skill creation, income generation. All three are correct. Which of the following are major strengths of India's IT sector? Which of the following are major strengths of India's IT sector? 1, skilled manpower, 2, global outsourcing capacity, 3, English language advantage. So all three are correct. Q4 results generally refer to fourth quarter financial performance. Yeah. Which of the following may challenge IT companies? Which of the following may challenge IT companies? 1, global slowdown, 2, AI disruption, 3, client spending cuts. All three, 1, 2, 3 are. Next, service exports help India by. Services exports help India by. What is the answer? Earning foreign exchange. Next question, profit growth may occur due to. Profit growth may occur due to, first, revenue growth, 2, cost efficiency, 3, productivity gain. All three are correct. Which of the following companies are generally part of tertiary sector? Which of the following companies are generally part of tertiary sector? IT services firms, banks, telecom services. All these are part of tertiary sector. Next question, employment generation in high skill sectors contribute to. Employment generation in high skill sectors contributes to human capital and income growth. Which of the following can be inferred? 1, corporate earnings can signal sectoral trends. 2, hiring plans affect labor market sentiments. 3, profit growth automatically means economy wide prosperity. What is the answer? It is 1 and 2 only. Corporate earning can signal sectoral trends. Hiring plans affect labor market sentiments. Profit growth automatically means economic wide prosperity is the wrong. So 1 and 2, B option is correct. Policy challenge is balancing growth, jobs and technological competitiveness. First option is correct. What distinction is often tested? No, this is not. So must remember points here are: Infosys Q4 profit rose 21% to rupees 8,501 crore rupees. 20,000 fresher hiring announced. IT sector key for exports and jobs. Profit is not equal to revenue. Service sector major GDP contribution. Skills crucial for employment. Next topic is HSBC downgrades India. This can be read from page number 15, business section. This is relevant to FIIs, stock markets, oil and capital flows. Foreign portfolio investment generally refers to investment in which one? Foreign portfolio investments generally refers to investment in, can anyone answer this question? Yeah, A is correct. Foreign portfolio investment generally refers to investments in shares and bonds. Next question. Which of the following may affect stock market sentiments? 1. Global ratings report. 2. Earnings outlook. 3. Oil prices. Yeah, all three are correct. Next. FDI differs from FPI because FDI is generally, what is the answer? More long-term productive investment. A is correct. High crude oil prices may lead to, what is the correct answer? Inflationary pressure in oil importing countries. Next, which institution regulates security market in India? Security market in India means SEBI. Which of the following can cause capital outflows? 1. Risk aviation. 2. Better returns elsewhere. 3. Navigate market outlook. What is the correct answer? 3. All three are correct. 1, 2 and 3. Which of the following can cause capital outflows means risk aviation. 2. Better returns elsewhere. 3. Negative market outflow. Next, underweight India by a brokerage most directly means, what is the correct answer? Can anyone answer this one? Yeah, A is correct. Underweight India by a brokerage most directly means lower recommended allocation relative to benchmark. Next question. Which of the following may justify market downgrade? Which of the following may justify market downgrade means, first one, high valuation. 2. Oil shock risk. 3. Global uncertainty. All three are correct. Next, which of the following may happen if FII sell India's equity? 1. Market volatility. 2. Rupee pressure. 3. Lower liquidity. The correct answer is C. 1, 2 and 3 all correct. Next, which of the following best measure expensive violations? Which of the following best measure expensive violations? The correct answer is high P by E ratio relative to peers to history. Next, why does crude oil matter to India? Why does crude oil matter to India? What is the answer? Large import dependence, because we import large crude oil. Next, which of the following are portfolio investment? 1. Listed shares, 2. Bonds, 3. ETFs. Okay, correct answer is all 3. Next, risk of global sentiment generally benefits. Risk of global sentiment generally benefits. 1. Safe haven assets. Okay. Next, which of the following can remain true simultaneously? 1. Economy strong. 2. Stock valuation expensive. 3. Brokerages caution. All 3 are correct. Difference between FDI and FPI includes control and time horizon. First option is correct. Which of the following can be inferred? 1. Market ratings reflect relative investment presence. Number 2. Stock market view is not identical to GDP view. 3. Underweight automatically means recession. Correct answer is 1 and 2 only. C is not. Underweight automatically means recession. That is not correct. Next, policy change is balancing. The correct answer is growth, stability, and external vulnerability management. Next points to remember here are: underweight means lower allocation than benchmark, not equal to economic collapse, high oil hurts imports like India, FII or FPI flows affect markets and rupee, valuation is not equal to economy fundamentals, SEBI regulates security market. Next topic is rice exports decline. This can be read from page number 15, business, The Hindu. This is relevant to agriculture, exports, trade, and food security. The important questions here are: India is globally significant in exports of. What is the answer? India is globally significant in exports of. Can anyone answer this question? Yeah, A is correct. That is rice. Which of the following may reduce exports? Which of the following may reduce exports? 1. Geopolitical disruptions. 2. Higher freight costs. 3. Demand slowdown. All 3 are correct. 1, 2, and 3 are. Next, agriculture exports help by. Agricultural exports help by earning foreign exchange. Yeah, first option is correct. Which of the following are major food grains in India? Rice, wheat, pulses. Yeah, major food grains is rice, wheat, and pulses. All 3 are correct. Trade diversification means. Trade diversification means expanding exports across markets or products. Your first option. Trade diversification means expanding exports across markets or products. Next, which institution promotes agricultural exports in India? Which institution promotes agricultural exports in India? What is the correct answer? Yeah, A. APEDA, APEDA. Next, decline in rice exports may directly affect. decline in rice exports may directly affect? What is the answer? Foreign exchange earnings, farmer income, trade balance. All three are correct. Why can West Asia disruption hurt Indian rice exports? Why can West Asia's disruption hurt Indian rice exports? The correct answer is it is an important export destination region, because it is an important export destination region. Which of the following may reduce agri exports? Which of the following may reduce agri exports? 1. Shipping disruption. 2. Payment risks. 3. Import demand slowdown. Yeah, all three are correct. Which of the following are rice export categories from India? Which of the following are rice export categories from India? Can anyone answer this one? 1. Basmati, 2. non-basmati, value-added rice products. Yeah, all three are correct. Which institution is linked with agricultural exports promotion? The correct answer is APEDA, APIDA. If exports value falls, it may be due to. If exports value fall, it may be due to number 1, lower quantity, number 2, lower prices, number 3, both quantity and prices. All three are correct. D option. Which of the following may be benefit of temporary export slowdown? Which of the following may be benefit of temporary export slowdown? Can anyone answer this one? Yeah. First one is higher domestic availability. Number 2, easier stock management in shortages context. Number 3, lower domestic price pressure. The correct answer is all three are correct. C. Why is rice strategically important? Why is rice strategically important? Because food security and farmer livelihood is correct option. First option. Trade deficit occurs when? Trade deficit occurs when imports exceed exports. Yeah, first option is correct. Which of the following can be inferred? Which of the following can be inferred? Geopolitics can affect agriculture trade. Yeah, correct. Export decline can influence rural income. Export decline can influence rural income. Yeah, correct. Export fall always means crop failure. No, third option is wrong. So B option 1 and 2 only correct. Policy challenge is balancing. Policy challenge is balancing farmer returns, domestic food security, and export competitiveness. First option is correct. Next, must remember points here are rice exports fell by 7.5% to $11.53 billion. West Asia disruption impacted trade. India major global rice exporter. APIDA is relevant institution. Export decline affects forex and farmers. Value is not equal to volume. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Good night. See you in the tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning at 6:30 to 7 o'clock. In between 6:30 to 7 o'clock, I will come to live session. Okay. Do everyone attend? If you not subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe, everyone. Okay, good night.